Hello everyone, this is my reporting about kani sa topic. First is a transactional. Personal where interaction are based on a mutual regard for each other as a person. Meaning, this is when you interact with someone kay naa kay tuyo or naa kay goal nga ma-achieve. Murag quid pero pro kuha ba? Something for something. Like you, do something para naa kay makuha in return. Kind of interaction. Instrumental of strategic action. It's like using people para makuha nimo ang imong gusto. Using people as a tool. Know you treat others? Gitreat nimo sila as an object or a means to an end. It's like unsa kay akong mapalaanin niya. Example, nice imuhang interact sa imong boss kay naa kay tuyo. Kay gusto nimo ma-promote maong nice kay kaniya. Kanang personal. Transactional where interactional are based on a regard for its as mean for attaining one goals. Meaning, this is when you interact with someone kay you value them as a person. Naa kay ginyu, care and understanding. Kind of interaction. Communicative action. You're communicating with them on a personal level. How you treat others. Gitreat nimo sila as a fellow person or subject. You see them as an equal and this is the example personal. Gitabangan nimo imong amigo kay naglisod siya. Wala kay gi-expect nga balos. In short, ang transactional nakig-interact ra ka kay naa kay tuyo and ang personal kay wala kay interact pero wa kay tuyo. Kumbaga ginabalyo nimo siya. Basically, this text is about how our relationship with other people are affected by the society we live in. Gidivide ni Habermas ang relationship into two types. Personal relationship. Explanation. These are relationship nga based on mutual regard for each other. Meaning, you care about the other person and they care about you. Ang mga interaction ani nga klase nga relationship kay mas about pagtinabangay kaysa pagkompetensya. Transactional relationship. Explanation. These are relationship nga based on regard for each other as a means for attaining one's goals. Mean you see the other person as a way to get what you want. Ang transactional relationship Dili lang siya ginagamit na mga bad na pamaagi. Na ay usahay magamit siya in a good way. Like maayo kay kaniya, kay naa kay tuyo, or for example, na kay amiga nga bright. Giamiga nimo siya para naa kay kasundugan. Ninana, but tungod kay nag-focus ka sa na ma-achieve sa imong mga goals, usahay makalimtan na nato nga ang atong ka-relationship kay usapod ka tao. Dili lang usa ka butang nga atong gamiton. Personal relationship. You value the person for who they are. Transactional relationship. You value the person for what they can you do for you. And this is my reporting and thank you.